Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload full screen video on TikTok. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the TikTok app. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just click the plus button right here. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just go ahead into uploading a video right here by clicking the upload next to the, taking a picture icon. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just search for the video. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this video and I'm going to get back to you. So I'm going to move on to the next step. I'm going to just mute the sound so you won't hear anything. And after you hit next, what you're going to see right here, the post section. And as you can see right here, the video appearing in front of me in the full screen. Just go ahead, type whatever caption that you want. If you want to add hashtags, mention videos, or if you want to add a location, just go ahead and do that. And if you want to everyone to see this post, just go ahead and leave it out. Or if you want other friends to see your post, just go ahead and click friends, or keep it private to yourself. And after you finish, just go ahead and hit post, and the video will be posted in your TikTok. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.